What's up, guys? This is Kay from traderscolony.com. I'm gonna bring you today another video here, recap a couple of stocks that we were talking about while last streaming today. ACB took a stab at it, one good trade, one small loss, and then Beyond Meat plunge, huge levels here, just up and down, whipsawing, but overall, while it was actually moving, it had a couple of nice pockets with support, resistance, a little bit of consolidation, key levels for entries and exits. I want to show you guys what it did, so just follow me. I'll show you what happened today.
Good afternoon, guys. We're going to jump into a quick recap here on two stocks. ACB, the only trade that I took today. I want to show you something on Beyond Meat as well, but I just took a trade here on the opening range breakout here on this pennant formation right at the open on the 1 minute time frame on ACB for a breakout of the high right here on this pennant, $6.75. I push up all the way to $7. Right here you can see the high of this candle was 7.14. We had a micro pullback on the 1 minute around here, and I got paid right around the whole dollar. I thought that we were gonna have some resistance here. I took a second stab on this stock right around the breakout of this level right here in 7.14, looking for a push over to the daily resistance of 7.34 and 7.92 that we had on the daily resistance daily short right here. Unfortunately, this thing actually pulled back on me at the high of this candle right here. We had a high of 720. It pulled back and it started hovering around 709, 708, and I was risking off the low of this candle here, it being 702. One of the things that I noticed while this thing was rolling over was that the S&P 500 was actually having a huge red candle on the 5 minutes, and I figured this thing is probably going to roll over with the market because the overall market was actually rolling over. And I figured it's probably not gonna be, and it's not gonna be a good idea to wait to be taken out there. Might as well just take a small loss here, and if it rolls over on my position, on my side, then I can take another stab. And it was actually ended up to be a pretty good idea, because after I did that, this thing actually was hovering around 701 and 702, and then it just plunged right here, going through the support all the way to a low of the candle at $6.88, flushing through the view app and everything. Tested there, and if you notice, all of a sudden just pulled back up. So I would have been taken out, would have gotten a lot of slippage there anyway, and would have ended losing a lot more than what I was actually risking off. So this trade turned out to be okay. Small loss on the second trade, but you know, it's actually a good thing anyway that I didn't wait all the way to 702. And if you notice right here, we've been hovering on $6.84 and 706. This is kind of the levels that we were watching intraday. If you want to see the commentary, live commentary and all that kind of stuff, you can join us on the live stream every day on YouTube. There's another stock that I want to show you as Beyond Meat. A couple of things happened intraday on this stock. It was actually somebody on the live stream that mentioned Beyond Meat that was flushing down pretty quick, and I brought it to the main screen. I didn't take a stab here, but at least I was doing the commentary while this thing was happening. These right here, this consolidation already passed by the time I pulled it up, and this flag right here, but it was developing this pennant and a flush pennant right here. It was around here for the flush. Okay, so we were looking for a little consolidation around this area, and I was looking for a breakdown here. I was telling the guys on the live stream that around here, I started looking at it around this pocket over here, and I was looking for a break under these levels. But unfortunately, what it did was it came out and it got all the way to the resistance right here of this pennant again. Now I was telling the guys that I would have what I would like to see in this thing, risking $1 right here because of the resistance on this pocket right here, on this little consolidation on the 1 minute, was 167.50, the $0.50 resistance, and the support right here 166.50. I would like to see the breakdown on this flag here for an opportunity to probably take about $2 to $3, risking at least $1 right here in this pocket. That's actually what happened. He got back here, got a lot of resistance, roll over, and came back flushing down through the support that we've been looking for, 166.50. From here, obviously, you could have taken a nice trade, but I didn't want to risk over there. Right here, we had a little consolidation as well, and then just the trend just kept on flushing down. If you notice, got into another pocket right here, a little bit another consolidation, exactly the same thing. I was looking at these levels right here on 163.53, got a little bit of consolidation around here, but then the trend just resumed. Now right here was really interesting because although we had an extended channel around here, I actually thought that this thing was actually going to roll over to the downside, but if you notice, it had a breakout and it run all the way over here. I even thought that we were going to be able to stop right here at the 50 simple moving average because it tested right here and just had a micro pullback inside of this candle, but it was able to even jump a little bit higher and then roll over from there for this nice flush right here. Anyway, let me show you the rest of the trend right here so you can see actually what happened. Just roll down right here, and this little consolidation right here on the 1 minute time frame, let me try to pull it so you guys can see it a little closer. It's right here inside of this candles. If you notice right here, it was just kind of a lot of whipsaw up and down all over the place. The market was up and down really. As of right now, it's 5:44 in the afternoon. It doesn't seem to be a lot of movement in the futures market, so it seems like things have calmed down a little bit. And anyway, I just wanted to bring you a small recap here on the stocks that we were watching today. I took a stab on ACB, 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 small loser, and then we were live doing a lot of commentary on BYND while this thing was actually moving today. I thank you so much for the opportunity to bring you this video, for you listening to it. And if you like the information in all these videos and you like what we're doing here, just please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so. I really appreciate what you guys are doing, taking your time to listen to the videos. You know, if you subscribe and you give it a thumbs up, that really gives me an idea that, hey, I'm doing the right thing. At least it gives me more energy to keep doing this kind of stuff for you guys. Thank you so much for listening, and happy trading, guys.